Lena, your game is there already.
You go to America?
No.
What did you do there?
No.
Going to China.
No, I'm not. I hate China. I hate China. I don't
But
like
the
China.
items that you bought from Shopee is from China.
I didn't know.
Where's from China, okay?
No. Only one day, okay? China took over our sea.
How about your Chinese subscribers? You have Chinese subscribers.
No, they don't. They're American subscribers.
They're not American.
They're
They're Chinese.